I'm Teacher Mike, and today we are learning how to use even if and even though. Even if basically means that there is something that might be true and might not be true. But whether it is true or not does not affect anything. Even though means that something definitely is true, but doesn't affect anything. Let's look at 3 examples. First example, even if it is difficult, I'm going to learn to speak English. This means that I know that it might be difficult, but I'm going to do it. If I start doing it and it's easy, I'm going to continue. And if I start doing it and it's difficult, I'm also going to continue. Whether or not it is difficult is not going to affect what I do. But even though it is difficult, I'm going to learn to speak English means that I already know that it is going to be difficult. But I don't care. I'm still going to do it. Second example, even if the water is cold, I'm going to go for a swim. This means that I know that the water might be cold, but I'm going to go for a swim. It doesn't matter what temperature the water is. If the water is warm, I'm going to go for a swim. And if the water is cold, I'm still going to go for a swim. The temperature of the water is not going to affect whether or not I go for a swim. But even though the water is cold, I'm going to go for a swim means that I already know that the water definitely is cold. But I don't care. I'm going to go for a swim. Third example, even if you lie to me, I will still love you. This means that I know that it's possible that you could lie to me sometime in the future. But if that happens, it will not affect my feelings for you. I will still love you. But even though you lie to me, I still love you means that I know that you sometimes lie to me. But that doesn't change anything. I still love you. So again, even if means that there is something that we are not sure about. It might be this way. It might not be this way. Something might happen, or it might not happen. But even though means that we already know how something is, or we already know what happened or what's going to happen. I think that should be pretty clear, but if you have any questions, please feel free to let me know. And if you'd like to learn other ways that we use the word even, make sure to watch this video right here. That's all for today. Thank you for watching.